I absolutely enjoyed everything about the Weave Buddy. The Weave Buddy has been a lifesaver for my client. She's happy and smiling, and it's also given me an alternative to use on my clients who have severe alopecia.
I didn't have headaches right afterwards. In addition to that, I really am excited with the fact that I can have better styles and I can enjoy the kind of hair that I've always wanted.
As a Weave Buddy specialist, I have the ability to give my clients a fuller look that is safe for their edges, and it protects their hair under the unit.
And it is absolutely amazing. I am in awe.
I feel like my weave actually lays down a lot more than what it used to. I just love the Weave Buddy.
Seeing how flawless the hair was laying on the sides and the edges, and there weren't any holes, and and it was giving coverage where there was nothing, then I was like, okay, I have to take it.
The Weave Buddy is the way to go to protect and preserve your client's hair.
The Weave Buddy is definitely a lifesaver. I'm really hooked because it doesn't put pressure on your edges.
Now look at me. I look like a superstar. I feel back to me now, thanks to you.
You've always been supportive. When I have questions, I could call you. And that's what I like about your customer service. It's awesome. Thank you so much.
I am like a newbie to the Weave Buddy, but so far I absolutely love it.
It feels really good. It's super light. I thought it would be very restrictive, but it's not. It actually feels better because it's not a lot of pressure on my hair pulling from the weave.
I am a Weave Buddy user, and it's the best thing that has ever happened to me.
It just makes me feel whole. It makes me feel beautiful. It makes me feel like myself again. It is a great product. It really is.
It is the perfect tool for anyone who has clients with thinning sides.
Clients love it. It really works. It's comfortable.
I'm Hiskey, owner and creator of the Weave Buddy. After months of our clients wearing their weaves, the weaves start pulling back. The weight plus the pressure of the braids pulling back is also tearing our clients' edges.
Now just imagine, no more of the pressure,
the stress, all of the headaches, fill in the sides. Well, it's here. It's called the Weave Buddy. The Weave Buddy takes on the pressure that would normally fall on your client's delicate edges. Come on, let's get started.